there! Here is today's video. We will learn what push-to-talk on Discord is and how to turn on push-to-talk on Discord on mobile. So let's get started. Now let's turn on or turn off the push-to-talk feature on an iPhone or Android. So open Discord apps, tap Profile, scroll down, tap Voice, tap Input Method, choose Push-to-Talk. After that, you can choose the volume for the setting. Now let's take a call and check. If you want to turn on the feature, you need to come to the same spot and turn off the push-to-talk feature. As you can see here, the push-to-talk feature was available here. Now, after enabling the feature, the push-to-talk feature is active. So guys, this is how to activate or deactivate the push-talk feature on Android. If you have any question about the topic, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.